Do your knees ache the moment you get out of bed? That sharp, stiff pain that makes every step feel harder than it should? You're not alone. Knee arthritis affects millions of people over 50. But here's the good news. You can fight back, gently and naturally. In just a few minutes a day, simple Tai Chi moves can loosen stiff joints, ease pain, and bring back the freedom to move without fear. So take a deep breath, stand tall, and join me. Let's help your knees feel younger again. Exercise 1. Knee warm-up, circle of comfort. Let's begin with a simple warm-up to loosen your joints. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and place your hands lightly on your thighs. Now, gently bend your knees and make small circles, 5 times clockwise, then 5 times counterclockwise. Keep your movement slow and smooth, never forcing it. Breathe naturally and relax your shoulders. This helps lubricate your knee joints and prepares them for movement. Exercise 2. Weight shift, rooted like a tree. Next, we'll work on improving your balance and easing pressure on your knees. Stand tall with your feet slightly wider than your hips. Relax your shoulders, tuck your chin slightly, and keep your eyes forward. Let your arms hang naturally by your sides, or float them gently in front of you for balance. Now slowly shift your weight onto your right leg. Keep your knees soft. Don't lock them. Feel the ground beneath your feet supporting you. Then, gently shift your weight to your left leg. Move side to side in a slow, steady rhythm, like ocean waves rolling to shore. Inhale as you shift to the right. Exhale as you move to the left. Continue for about 1 minute or longer if it feels good. This Tai Chi move helps strengthen your thighs, improve joint flexibility, and train your knees to move smoothly without stiffness, helping you feel grounded, stable, and confident with every step. Exercise 3. Gentle knee circles. Flow like water. Now, let's help your knees that move more smoothly, like water flowing around stones. Stand with your feet together or just slightly apart. If you need extra balance, hold onto a chair or a wall. Bend your knees just a little, not too much, keeping your back straight. Now, slowly make small circles with your knees. Move them in a gentle, smooth motion, 5 times clockwise, and then 5 times counterclockwise. Keep your movements light and easy. You're not forcing your joints. You're guiding them to move freely again. Breathe naturally as you go. If you hear or feel light cracking sounds, that's okay, as long as there's no pain. If anything feels uncomfortable, make the circles smaller. This simple Tai Chi-inspired motion increases blood flow, lubricates your knee joints, and releases stiffness, helping your knees feel warm, relaxed, and ready for the day. Exercise 4. Heel lift. Light as a feather. Now we'll strengthen the muscles that support your knees, especially your calves and thighs. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Lightly rest your hands on the back of a chair or on a countertop for balance. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, slowly lift your heels and off the ground, rising up onto your toes. Hold for a moment. Feel your leg muscles engage. Then gently lower your heels back down. Move slowly and smoothly, up and down, like you're floating. Keep your knees soft and relaxed, not locked. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you lower. Repeat this motion about 10 to 12 times, or whatever feels comfortable for your body. This simple Tai Chi-inspired move helps build leg strength, improve circulation, and support your knees every time you walk or climb stairs. The key is to move mindfully, slow, steady, and graceful. Exercise 5. Knee flex and stretch. Open the flow. For our final exercise, we'll gently stretch the knees and improve flexibility. Stand tall, with your feet hip-width apart. Hold onto a chair or wall if you need support. Now, slowly bend your right knee, lifting your heel slightly behind you. Keep your thighs close together. You should feel a gentle stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold for a count of 3, then slowly lower your foot back down. Now switch sides. Lift your left heel, bend your knee slightly, hold, and release. Keep breathing deeply as you move. Repeat this motion 5 times on each side. This gentle stretch helps relieve tension, increase circulation, and keep your knee joints flexible so you can walk, stand, and move with more confidence every day. You don't need high-impact workouts to stay strong. These gentle Tai Chi movements help keep arthritis in knee pain under control, naturally and safely. Practice this routine 5 to 10 minutes daily, and over time, your knees will feel lighter, stronger, and more flexible. If you're over 50 and want to stay healthy, strong, and active, hit subscribe to get weekly tips on nutrition, gentle exercises, and disease prevention. Let's keep moving together, one mindful step at a time.